Hi guys, it's Ron. In this video, I'll show you how to use a SureTrace circuit tracer from Ideal to trace UTP cables like Cat5e and Cat6 in a live data rack without disconnecting the cables from the system. It also can be used to trace coaxial cables throughout a building as well. Even the best labeling jobs at times still need to be traced in a data network. Using the inductive clamp, the SureTrace circuit tracer can induce a signal to be traced without disrupting the data signals traveling in the cable. Step 1 is to plug the inductive clamp into the battery pack and clamp over the cable being traced at the first rack, which is number 2502 in this case. From the label, we know the other end of the cable is in rack number 2516. Using the magnetic strap, hang the battery pack to the rack, then turn on the receiver unit and verify it is getting a strong signal from the transmitter. Step 2 is to go to rack number 2516 and using the receiver, slowly scan all the cables in the rack using the highest sensitivity mode. Hold the receiver in line with the cable to get the strongest signal possible, and then reduce the sensitivity to properly locate the correct cable in the rack. As you can see, the receiver has quickly identified the cable being traced. The SureTrace circuit tracer can also be used to trace the DC power cables feeding the equipment in the data racks. Using the inductive clamp, in a similar way, it can be used to quickly identify the proper circuit breaker feeding the data rack. Call the Ideal customer service line or visit our website to find out more about the circuit tracer and a local distributor you can buy one from. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I'm Ron with Ideal.